welcome back to our social class. See, today we are going to learn about that is lines on the earth. Yes, see which is involved in globe. This is your lesson globe, geography lesson 2. This is your term 3. Yes, so we are going to study about the lines on the earth, right? So the lines, what are the lines given in art? That is globe. Yes, the model of the earth. Yes, what is globe? See, globe is nothing but what? See, that is globe is a model. What? Model of the earth. Yes, it is the model of the earth, right? And what is mean by map? That is what is the difference between map and the globe? Map is it is visual representation of the places, and globe it is the model of the earth, right? So that is the difference between both map and the globe. Yes. So here at present we are going to learn about the lines on the earth which is given in the globe, right? See I have drawn this picture globe. See in that, see inside the globe, see there are many lines, no? Yes. So we are going to study about that. Yes. See what that those lines are named as what? Yes, for what purpose? For what reason they have given that line? They have created that line in the globe. Yes. See first for what reason they have created the globe? Yes. See, can we able to see the world? That is, can we able to see the earth as a whole? Yes, we cannot see. Yes, so without anything, without any other help. Yes, see by using this with the help of globe, we can able to guess. We can able to see the actual shape of the earth. Yes, so for that reason, in order to know the size, shape and size of the earth, they have created this. Yes, with the accurate scale, right? With the specialized scale. So for that only they have created this globe structure. Yes. So this is the actual shape of the earth, right? See the lines on the earth. So what are the lines? See here. See I have drawn that vertical line and horizontal line. Yes. Can you able to see this? Yes. Is it visible? Yes. See here. So this is the horizontal lines and vertical lines are drawn to the globe, right? See, that is horizontal lines are named as what? Latitude. Yes. So horizontal lines are named as latitude, and the vertical lines. And the vertical lines are named as what? Longitude. See, long. So longitude, right? So these two lines are named as imaginary lines of the globe, right? So imaginary lines which is used to calculate the accurate distance and time. Yes. So see here, to locate the places correctly, so exactly, accurately, the imaginary lines are drawn on the map. Yes. So for that reason only, they have drawn these imaginary lines on the map. Yes. So to calculate the accurate distance and the time. Yes. So for that cause they have created this imaginary lines. And those imaginary lines are named as what? Latitudes and longitudes. So the horizontal lines are named as what? Latitude, and the vertical lines are named as longitudes. Yes. So let's see about this deeply. See first one is latitudes. So latitudes are the lines, that is, are the imaginary lines which runs through the horizontal lines. Yes, horizontal lines. So which runs through horizontally and it runs through the center of the earth is known as what? Equator. Yes. So in latitudes, see which the imaginary lines which runs through the center of the earth. So center of the earth. So see, this is the equator, no? Equator line. That is the middle is the equator line. And these lines are the latitude. And the vertical lines are the longitude. Yes. So this one, the middle line is named as what? Equator. Yes, and at 0 degree. Right? Yes, and this one is north, and this one is south. Here it is the east side, and it is the western side. Yes. So, see why they are giving north pole, south pole means see the vertical lines are drawn, see or get starting from there, see north to south. Is it so? Yes. the longitude can move from north pole to south pole. Yes, see, and similarly see here, it is the horizontal lines are named as what? Yes, latitude. So latitude can start its degree from, that is, can run through. See, can run through from where? See, here to here. That is western side to eastern side. Yes. So western side to eastern side. Yes. See, because we are drawing like this, that is horizontal. So it is starting its process, its work from this side to this side. Yes. See, then see this. See, latitudes, that is degrees, it's marked as a degree from 0 degree to 90 degree. Yes, so 0 degree to 90 degree, right? See, north pole to contain 90 degree and south pole, that is 90 degree, right? So, north and south pole, right? So, 0 degree to 90 degree, north and south pole, right? See, what does mean by pole? Yes, so in Tamil, Dhruvam. Yes, so Dhruvam, right? See, pole means that is a piece of a long piece of wood or long piece of metal. Yes, which is located, right? Which is located at the middle, right? So, long piece of wood or long piece of metal. Anyhow, a long piece. Yes, whether it may be a metal or a wood, right? See, which is placed in between the globe, right? See, it travels from north to south pole. Yes, that is the pole. So, a long piece of wood or metal, that is the pole. Yes, which is placed in between the globe. That is the pole. Yes. So, 0 degree to 90 degree, north and south, right? See, equator, I already told you, equator is the middle line. That is, which runs through the center of the earth. So, equator is the imaginary lines which runs through the center of the earth. Yes, that is the equator, the center line. Yes, and the next one is longitude. See, longitude means that is vertically. It is the imaginary line which vertically. It is vertical lines are known as what? What longitude line? Longitudinal line. See, this runs vertically from north pole to south pole. So already I explained you. See, it starts its process from north pole to south pole. Yes. Then see, its degree is, that is, it is marked as a degree from 0 degree to 180 degree, right? Because it contains 180 lines. The longitude contains 180 lines. Yes. So it consists of 0 degree to 180 degree. It is east and west. So I told you that it starts from west to east or east to west. Yes. So sides are east and west. See, and for longitude, north and south. Then meridian. See, as like this equator, here in longitude, meridian is acting as a, that is middle line. See, actually here not that the middle line is not acting. See, all the lines are known as imaginary lines. All the lines are known as meridian lines. Yes. See, the meridian means lines of the longitude. So, lines of the longitudes are known as meridian. Yes. And here, Greenwich meridian is acting, presenting here. What does mean by Greenwich meridian? See, meridian means the lines of the longitudes, yes, are known as meridian. And Greenwich, what does mean by Greenwich? The word Greenwich. Greenwich means time measure. Yes, it always shows the time. Yes, the accurate time. See, that is the Greenwich. Greenwich means time measure. Yes. See, Greenwich meridian means, see, the longitude which passes through the Greenwich. That is, Greenwich means what? Time measure. So, the meridian, that is a longitude which passes through the Greenwich is known as Greenwich meridian, right? And Greenwich is located in where? That is London. Yes, it is known as, it is otherwise known as, that is Royal Observatory Greenwich. Yes, it is named as Royal Observatory Greenwich. So, Royal Observatory Greenwich. So it is named like this. Yes, Royal Observatory Greenwich, which is in London. Yes, the old Royal Observatory, Greenwich, which is in London. It is a clock. Yes, so it is a clock, right? So which is used to see the time, the exact time. It always shows the time. So that is the Greenwich, right? So Greenwich meridian means what? That is a longitude which passes through the Greenwich is known as Greenwich meridian, right? So Greenwich means time measure. It is one type of a clock which is used to show the display the time. Yes, see, it is located in where? It is located in London. See, it is named as Royal Observatory, Greenwich. See, that's all about this. The lines on the earth. Yes. See, please intake into your mind. Keep it in your mind. Don't forget these concepts. Yes. So these are all the very, very essential one. Yes. So I hope you all understand. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of this session.